Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training and we're going to continue on with our commercial project. So I laid out my foundation or floor for our basement. So I'm going to just tab these views right quick for you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make videos like this. So what I got here now, I did the foundation wall, and these are going to be my column grids based on the architect's plan, but it could change at any time or whatever. We don't know, but we're going to get our structure going here. And this is a separate model. So what happens here now is we need to get our columns in here. So let's look at this in our 3D view. So this is what we got here. And I want to bring in the north elevation as well. Okay, so now here, this would be our grade level. We established that before with the link model. This is where they want the floor. And this is our basement. This is going to be below grade. It's got to be 42 inches for this part of the world. We got to get below the frost line. So some here is going to be grade. This is going to be what we're going to call our basement level. I'll just delete that out there. Right, click. That's the column. Okay, so now we're going to concentrate on this little basement. It's just going to be a crawl space, basically. Or we can do a backfill or run some pipe under here or whatever. So now let's go into this level. The project browser. I'm in the basement level. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to add columns on these grids because this is probably going to be our structure. Might have to make some adjustments over here. Kind of center this out. Let's see if we can make this equal here. But we'll worry about that a little later because we don't really have. This is going to be the basketball court here. So now what we want to do here, we want to go and we want to place our columns on grids, on these grids that we have selected. We're probably going to need one on each. Probably should, okay, this is what I want to do. I want to see if I can center that there. Let me see. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Going to have to come back and fix this one up for you, but I'll show you how to do this quickly and easily. So what we need now is our columns. So I'm going to go into my structure tab, and then here I want to go where it says insert, and then I want to go into load families, and we want to go into our browser here, and you want to go and you want to go square precast column. That might have been the one. Well, let's go and just load this one for now. Okay, and then what we want to do here is we want to go into our properties here and select structure column. And there's the column we selected. It's a 20 inch by 20 inch. We might need a little more than that. Okay, for now we'll do the 20 by 20 inch because we can always change this. So now I'm going to go and do my column at grids. So if I go and I do crossing all these. Okay, 1 second here. Okay, so here I didn't pick the column. I want this column here. And wait a second here, what's going on? I'm gonna cancel this now. Let's try this again. Oh, I should have did crossing that way. Yep. Don't need a column there. I need one there. And there. Let's just go right here for now. So there's our columns. Uh-oh. Let me do that again. Sorry. I didn't finish it. So we're going to here, crossing, we'll do the interior columns just for now, and then we'll finish this. Now there are columns placed on grid. Now let's look at this in 3D view and see what we got. and that's not what we want. These columns should go up to the first level. So let's go back into our basement plan here, and I want to just go and select all these, and then here in my properties dialog box, we want to say top level, level 1, base offset 0, I think. Don't quote me on that, and then we'll finish that. So now what that should give us is, let's look at a 3D view. Okay, that's looking like we might be there. Yes. Because we want these columns here because we're going to do a flooring in this area here. So I'm going to go here now, go back into our level 1, and then we want to add some pad footings here. So we're just going to structure tab again, and we go here where it says isolated. And here I can go and do the same thing I did with a grid, but let's see, let's make another size. Let's do something like that. I'm not sure what we're going to go with for that. Let's just go grab these and hit finish. Sorry. I've been learning MicroStation. I'm doing MicroStation stuff. So grab this and finish. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Yes, let's see what happened. I don't know what's going on here. Look at our properties. Let's see what's going on in 3D. Okay, so let's see if we can do this over here. Let's do a window tile. Okay, alright. So we've got our columns where we want them, basically here. So now we want to go out and add some footings, and that would be in this view. So let's try this one more time. Let's go structure, isolated. Let's just place one and see what happens here. Let's place one right there. Okay, there you go. I don't know why that one didn't work like I wanted it to, but for now, this is working out. We don't know what size this is going to be, but for right now, this is where we're going to do this. So these are our footings. I didn't show you how to do the walls. You should know how to do the walls along the outside here, because we've done many videos about this. So hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'm going to lay this foundation out. So this is going to be our structure, and let me see, I want to have these views. And what's going to happen, this is going to be linked back into the architect's model. We're going to go to the architect and say, hey, this is what we need you to do here, because of the layout that you're using and the fact that you got a cord in here. In fact, I don't even know we're going to need columns right here. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to give you an update on this assignment. This is the foundation for the recreational center. This is the start. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all guys soon. Please be safe. Bye.